311. Holy shit. So the fish now, this is TEPCO reporting this. It's 311. Talk about lightning striking the bell tower. Back to the Future on Balco. So TEPCO, this is TEPCO. TEPCO says they're going to put a net up and so the fish can't get out. Okay, 12 years later, 1,800 becquerels. Look, the clock's breaking. They just broke the clock again. God, is lightning going to strike it? Uh-oh, we broke the clock again. 1,800 becquerels per kilogram of cesium-137 in the fish. Uh-oh, we broke the clock. Uh-oh, Blanche broke the clock again. Uh-oh. It's almost 3:11. Blanche broke the clock. So, 10% chance of rain today. These models don't work anymore. It's been like this since 2011. So, Blanche Block broke the clock. Look at it, skid stowed. While I was on camera, it broke. Don't drop your camera. Got good hands. Yep, clock broke. You believe that? That's twice. %10 chance of rain today. Clock broke. $1,800 becquerels of cesium-137 in the fish. 1,800 becquerels. You gonna flip your soup can? Yeah. Holy shit. I think why you just suck it. 1,800 becquerels. Broke the clock. Holy shit. Back to the 2011 future. 12 years later. Now remember, this is 2 days before they started releasing the tank water fallacy. Breaking news, fish swim. Breaking news, ocean current. So you go along with the cover up all you want. Go up the top again. Oh my God, it's 3:11. Back to the future. Back to the future on chemo. %10 chance of rain. 1,800 becquerels of cesium-137 in the fish in the Pacific Ocean. 1,800 becquerels. That's the raised limits. That's 180 times over the raised limits. You eat fish, breaking news, fish swim, and there's no monitoring system on the fish coming. Ongoing event. All they did was just go into cover-up mode. Kevin Blanch's the greatest PhD in human history. There it is. Is it 3:11 yet? Back to the Fukushima future forever and ever and ever. Oh, it's 3:11. You broke the clock, Blanche. Again? %10 chance of rain. There it is, 3:11. One more time. It's 3:11, Blanche. Back to the Fukushima future. Forever. (1800 becquerels of cesium-137. Cesium-137 short half-life only comes from a nuclear event. Stay tuned.